In this video, we are going to learn about the different kinds of sketch relations. Like we have the geometric relations. In the same way, we have sketch relations in the SolidWorks. Like we have horizontal, vertical, parallel, perpendicular, fixed, collinear, equal, coincident, midpoint, tangent, equal arc length, and symmetric. So these all relations are going to be get covered in this video. Now let's come to this icon which is hide all types. And in this you will get the option of view sketch relations. I would request you to kindly turn on this. Like currently this is off and this is on now. Once the toggle is on, you will see a dark color in the background. Now let's have the demonstration of the relations. Now the very first one is regarding the horizontal. So I'm going to make some lines here like this. Now the very first relation is regarding the horizontal. Like what do you mean by horizontal? So horizontal is about the x-axis. Now just click on the line and then here comes the relations, like what relation you want to give to the particular line. So I want to give the horizontal relation, so I'm going to select the horizontal. Now here comes the relation, like here you can see this implies that this line is horizontal. Now I want the vertical relation here. So simply click on the line and here you can choose make vertical, or from here you can choose vertical. So this is how we can use the option of horizontal and vertical. And there is one more functioning of the horizontal and vertical, like if I just go to this and place some points. Now I want this point and this point to be vertically aligned. So I am going to choose the make vertical. Now you can see there is vertical relation among them. Now I'm going to select this one, only this one point and this point, these 2 points like this and this, and I need the horizontal relation between them, so I need to click on horizontal. So in this way these 3 points are interlinked to each other, like this point is linked to this point in the vertical way and this point to this point in the horizontal way. Now let's discuss some more relation, like we have covered the horizontal, vertical. Along with that, we have also covered the horizontal and vertical in the terms of points. Now I'm going to select this one and this one. Here comes in the property manager that whatever the possibility regarding the relations between these two lines are going to be get displayed here. Now what are the possibilities? Like I can make them horizontal, make them vertical, which we have already covered. Now let's do talk about these relations, like what is collinear, what is parallel, what is perpendicular, and what is equal. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about the collinear. Collinear means in the same line. Like if I just click on collinear, so they will follow the same line of action like this. Like this is the same line of action. Like you can see here, they will follow the same line of action. So this is collinear relation. Like here, if I just go on this icon, so it will highlight that this is a collinear relation. Now, if I want to break any kind of relation, just select the relation and click on delete. Now you can see the relation has been gone. Now I can place this like this, just drag and drop, and this line like this. Now I want the parallel relation between them. So just select both the lines while holding the control key and choose here parallel. So here comes the parallel relation, like they are going to be parallel to each other. If I just increase it, so now you can see these both lines are parallel to each other. If I just change the angle of this line like this, so that line is also going to change its angle because of the parallelism between these two lines. Now I am going to delete the parallel relation. Again, I am going to select both these lines and have the equal relation here. Like if I just click on equal, so what is going to be equal? The edge length is going to be equal here. like this is 362. Okay, just put it as 368, and this is also going to be as 368. And you can see if I give the sketch dimension to this, so it will throw an error that this is going to be driven because these both are having the equal relation. Now I'm going to delete this dimension and these relations as well. So just select them, press delete. Now let's again select them, and I'm going to give the perpendicular relation here. So these lines are going to be make a perpendicular, like they are going to have 90 degree of angle between them. So these are some of the basic relations, like what is perpendicular, like what is parallel, like what is collinear, what is equal, what is vertical and horizontal. Now let's check for the fix. For fix, I'm going to just delete this line, and we'll select this line only and click on fix. So it will fix the location of this line. I can increase or decrease it, but cannot change the position for this. Like I am unable to change the position. If I just drag it, so you can see here comes the message, cannot drag, the selected item is fixed. I can increase or decrease the length, but unable to change the position of the line. So this is all regarding the lines and points. Now let's check some more relations. Zoom to all. Now just go to the circle. I'm going to make a circle here and going to select a line. Now I'm going to select this circle and this line. And here comes relations. Like what are those three relations? First one is tangent, then fix and equal arc length. Tangent tangent, we all are aware about the tangent, that how the tangent is going to take place here. And next we have the equal arc length, and I am going to give the equal arc length. Now what is the meaning of equal arc length here? Suppose the radius is going to be, suppose the radius is 150. So the arc length would be the periphery, and the periphery is going to be as 2 pi r. So the length of this is going to be equal to the circumference of the circle, which is 942.48. And we can also calculate this through the formula. So let me just open the calculator, like 2 into 3.14 into 150. So here comes 942. And let's check the dimension for this line. And now you can see 942.48. So this is exactly the same if I just go to put the value as 22 by 7 in the calculator, but I just had the value as 3.14. So this is how the equal arc length works. And we have already seen the tangent. Now we are left with only one relation, which is symmetric relation. And symmetric relation is so vital for us because in most of the sketching we are going to use the symmetric relations. Now just going to have the center line here, and I'm going to make a rectangle like this. Now just give some dimension to this, like I'm going to have the dimension as 500. Now what do you mean by symmetric? Like this is 500 and I want 250 on the right hand side and 250 on the left hand side. So for that we have to just select this point, then select this point, and then select the center line. All the selection should be made while holding the control key. Okay, now just click on symmetric and it will give the symmetric relation, and you will get the symbol here, symmetric. Okay, now let's revise whether we have covered all these relations or not. So just let me open the sticky notes, and here comes the sticky notes. Horizontal we have covered the vertical as well, parallel, then we have covered the perpendicular, then we have covered the fix, like how to fix it. We can increase or decrease the length of the line, but we are unable to change the position of the line. Then we have the collinear, like we have checked for the collinear. Collinear means in the same line of action. Then we have the equal relation. So we are left with coincident and midpoint. We have checked with tangent, equal arc length, and symmetric. Now let's quickly cover about the coincident and midpoint. Now for that, I am going to have some points here like this. And if you want to superimpose the position of a point on any other point, you have to just give the coincident relation like this. Okay, so if I want to have the coincident relation among this, so we can also choose this. The coincident works only on the points. Like here, I'm going to select these 2 points, and this is going to be as merge. Merge and coincident are near about same. Okay, so you can, so there's nothing to worry about, like how the merge is going to work and how the coincident is going to work. Now let's come to the midpoint. So I'm going to pick this point and this line, and we'll have the relation of make midpoint. So that point is going to get superimposed on the midpoint of this line. So this is how it is going to work. Like if I am going to have this one like this, so I'm going to select this point and this one, and we'll have the make midpoint. So now you can see this point of the line is going to exactly settle on the midpoint of this line. So we have covered about the make midpoint along with the coincident. This is all about the sketch relations, and we have covered near about 15 sketch relations. I hope you are going to practice one by one and let me know the confusions in the comment section. The comment section is open to you for 24/7. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.